Hi everyone, good morning. I welcome you all in this session, the first session of this course. I hope you are feeling very well and hopefully you will be very energetic after coming a long winter break. As you can see, the title of this course, Youth Employability and Soft Skills, it's a very innovative course that will provide you a wonderful opportunity to develop soft skills. As a pilot project, I designed this course for the final year students of the Department of Educational Development, Karakoram International University, and I am very optimistic to scaling it out to other students of the universities within and beyond this country, but that will be based on the success stories of this class. So your class is very important. This will definitely define the future of other similar classes for the universities. As a course facilitator and a master trainer of this program, let me introduce myself. My name is Sadruddin Kutoshi. I am an associate professor and a former chair of the Department of Educational Development. I am a master trainer of Teaching Learning Enhancement Program that is called TILU, and I am a facilitator of the Facilitators Development Workshop as well as a master trainer of the early childhood education and development. I am currently leading the director as a director the Center for Research and Training in Early Childhood Education. With this very brief introduction, let me discuss about the course and its historical background. As you can see on the slide, in 2025, Khan Rural Sports Program (AKRSP) conducted a workshop for the university faculties from Gilgit, Baltistan, and Chitral. Among those faculty members, I am one of those master trainers of this youth employability and soft skills. The idea behind creating this course for you was basically how to use the content of that particular wonderful workshop for the training of the students like you, the most senior students who are graduating and they are ready to go to market for searching a job. How can we use this particular workshop settings to train our students? In response to that particular idea, I came up with this course, and this course has two major benefits. First is it's one of the replacements of your already offered courses. So you will have to drop one course and you will study this particular course that will help you to replace the old one. Secondly, it will provide you a certificate of participation from the Khan Ruler Sports Program. The purpose of this course basically is not only limited to provide you a certificate of participation, but also enable you to develop soft skills which are very much required for searching your dream job in your life and progress in your life in that particular job, and finally build connections with the community in your professional field of study around the globe for the success in your future. Therefore, this will help you to describe the vision and scope of the Youth Employability and Soft Skill Program, including its purpose as we discussed in a very brief manner, the structure of this course, and the competencies we will thoroughly discuss later on, the distinguish between technical and soft skills, and understand how the competencies integrate knowledge, skills, and attitudes with the values of the cultural context. Build connections and engagement with the peers through interactive activities and reflective writing. However, detailed description of this program, like the course outline over 16 weeks of the study and the expected learning outcomes of the course, will be shared with you soon. The point is, how will you achieve the purpose? First of all, if you are very much committed to receive the certificate of participation, you will have to show 100% attendance. This means that your presence in 16 weeks means 3 hours per week, 16 classes, 16 sessions. If you complete that, you will receive the certificate from HRSP. If you cannot complete this attendance requirement, you will not get that one, but you will definitely complete the course requirements. As you know, it's 75% at least attendance is mandatory for appearing in the assessment criteria, assessment procedures of the regular programs. So you have to contribute very actively by reading the all recommended material which we will provide you before coming to class, and you will have to share your ideas, you discuss things with your colleagues, your peers, and you will demonstrate very actively in the classroom in a very learner centric approach to teaching and learning environment, where I as a course facilitator will just facilitate you. Things will be going on there mostly very actively at your end. So your interaction with each other and your active participation is very, very important. So with the details, other details we will discuss in other coming classes. With this very brief introduction of the course and its content, here I would like to say thank you so much, and I will see you in the next classes. Bye bye.